Well, we're looking at relations, x and y values, independent variable, dependent variable, things of that nature. And in this example, which is on page 41 in your textbook, example 1, here's the guided practice 1A and 1B. We're given some ordered pair, and we're asked to represent those as a table, a graph, and mapping, different ways that we can represent relations. And so let's see, we got ordered pair of 4 comma negative 3, 3 comma 2, negative 4 comma 1, 0 comma negative 3. And first let's represent these in a table. Now we could put these in order, lowest value to highest value, but let's just make this simple in this one. And we're just simply going to list the x values in the ordered pair. And the x value is always going to be the one to the left, on the left side of the parentheses, nearest to that. So we've got 4, 3, negative 4, and 0. So here are our x values. And then for our y values, we're just going to simply list those as they correspond to their ordered pair. And so again, we're going to just go with the order that we've been given here. And so the y values, we got negative 3, 2, 1, and negative 3. And so there are our y values that we listed on a table. Now let's do it as a mapping. And we're going to be mapping the domain and the range. And I guess again, we'll stick with the order. Now let's put these in the order of lowest to highest in value. So I'm looking at these x values. And let's see, we got negative 4. And then we've got 0. And then 3. And then 4. And let's put us a box around this. We'll call this the domain. And now let's do the y values. Let's see. Well, we got negative 3. And we've got 1 and 2. And let's put us a box around this. Okay, and it is the range, or the y values, or they're the dependent values. Now let's map these. Let's see, negative 4, put this in a different color. Negative 4 went to 1, and 0 mapped to negative 3, and 3 mapped to 2, and 4 mapped to negative 3. Now we're going to do the graph on the next page, where we're going to graph these ordered pair, the next slide where we graph these ordered pair. But let's go ahead and define our domain. So our domain then is equal to, we put us a little bracket, and I am going to put these in order lowest to greatest. Not required, but I just like to. Negative 4, 0, 3, and 4. There's our domain defined. And the range is going to equal negative 3, comma 1, comma 2. X and Y, domain and range. All right, well now let's go over here and let's look at a graph of these 4 ordered pair. Now I've gone ahead and graphed these in Geogebra. This is a free application. I would encourage you to get it. It can help you with your graphing needs and other things. It's a pretty neat little program. And I just did a screenshot of what I graphed here. So here, let's see, this was the first point I graphed, which was point A. And let's see, we're coming down the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then down the y-axis, 1, 2, 3. So this is the point 4, negative 3. All right, let's see in the B. B's up here. We're going across the x-axis 3 and up 2. So that point is 3, x is 3, y is 2. That's that ordered pair. And let's see, here we got the C. We go -1, -2, -3, -4, up 1. And this is the ordered pair of -4, x -4, y 1. And then lastly here, point D. Well, x is at 0 here. And we're coming straight down the y-axis to -3, and this ordered pair is 0, -3. When x is 0, y is -3 in these relations. All right, well, there we go. We've done a table, we've done a graph, we've done mapping, and we have defined the domain and the range.